Before computers stored information, before machines followed digital instructions, before woven fabric carried breathtaking works of art, there was the Jacquard jacket. Elegant, intricate, remarkably precise, a garment whose beauty begins long before a tailor cuts the fabric. Its story is not only about fashion, it is about one of history's greatest engineering breakthroughs. Long before a Jacquard jacket existed, decorative woven textiles were among the most valuable products in the world. Silks adorned royal courts, elaborate floral patterns decorated palaces. Complex fabrics required extraordinary skill. Master weavers controlled thousands of threads by hand. Creating even a single length of patterned cloth demanded patience measured in weeks, sometimes months. The process was beautiful, but painfully slow. Everything changed in 1804. French inventor Joseph-Marie Jacquard introduced a revolutionary weaving machine. Instead of relying entirely on manual control, his loom used punched cards to determine which warp threads would rise during each pass of the shuttle. Every hole represented an instruction. Every card became part of a sequence. Together, they formed a programmable system capable of producing intricate woven designs with remarkable consistency. It was one of the earliest examples of machine-controlled automation. Centuries later, its principles would inspire pioneers of modern computing. The Jacquard loom transformed textile manufacturing forever. Patterns once reserved for the wealthiest elites became increasingly accessible. Production accelerated, accuracy improved, creative possibilities expanded dramatically. The Jacquard jacket owes its existence to this remarkable invention. Unlike printed fabrics, Jacquard textiles create patterns directly within the weave itself. Different colored yarns intertwine to form the design. The image becomes part of the fabric structure rather than resting upon its surface. This creates exceptional depth, texture, durability, and visual richness. The science behind Jacquard weaving is remarkably sophisticated. Thousands of warp threads remain under carefully controlled tension. Individual thread groups rise and fall according to programmed instructions. The shuttle carries weft yarn through constantly changing pathways. Each intersection contributes to an intricate three-dimensional pattern. Tiny variations in weave structure alter how light reflects from the surface. The fabric appears almost alive as it moves. Material selection further enhances performance. Silk provides luxurious luster. Wool contributes warmth and resilience. Cotton improves breathability. Linen creates crisp texture. Modern Jacquard fabrics often incorporate polyester for durability or metallic fibers that catch and reflect light with extraordinary brilliance. Tailoring a Jacquard jacket demands exceptional precision. Unlike plain fabrics, pattern placement becomes essential. Motifs must align across lapels, pockets, sleeves, front panels. Every cut influences the finished appearance. A single mistake can disrupt visual harmony. Master tailors carefully position every pattern piece before making the first cut. Construction balances beauty with durability. Structured interfacing supports the garment. Carefully selected linings improve comfort. Hand-finished details preserve delicate woven surfaces. Every seam respects both engineering and artistry. Throughout the 19th century, Jacquard fabrics spread across Europe and beyond. Luxury fashion houses embraced their elegance. Royal wardrobes displayed increasingly elaborate woven garments. Formal jackets became symbols of refinement. Opera houses, grand banquets, diplomatic receptions, ceremonial occasions. The Jacquard jacket quietly announced craftsmanship without requiring excessive decoration. Psychologically, pattern influences perception. Complex woven designs naturally attract prolonged attention. Unlike printed graphics, Jacquard textures reveal new details as light changes. The garment rewards careful observation. It communicates sophistication through craftsmanship rather than excess. Modern manufacturing combines historic principles with digital technology. Computer-controlled Jacquard looms execute millions of weaving instructions with astonishing accuracy. Design software simulates fabrics before production begins. Recycled yarns reduce environmental impact. Water-efficient finishing processes conserve resources. Artificial intelligence increasingly assists designers in developing new woven structures impossible to imagine only decades ago. Yet despite extraordinary technological progress, the essential principle remains unchanged. One thread, following another, according to carefully planned instructions. Today, the Jacquard jacket stands at the intersection of art, engineering, history, and fashion. Every woven motif reflects centuries of accumulated knowledge. Every carefully aligned seam honors generations of craftsmanship. Every finished garment reminds us that innovation often creates beauty in unexpected ways. Because history is not always written with ink, sometimes, it is woven, thread by thread, into fabric that continues telling its story for generations.